here with Knoxville Lice Clinic. Today we're going to be going over how to clean your house for head lice. When you order one of our kits, you're going to get this nice little sheet in the package. This goes over everything you need to clean and how to do it. That list is also available on our website at www.knoxvilleliceclinic.com in case you forget anything. The main things to know about cleaning your house for head lice is that lice do not burrow. They only live 48 hours off the head, and they don't jump or fly. So the first step that we recommend you do is your laundry. You only have to clean things that you've worn in the last 48 hours. So pajamas, sheets, towels, clothes from whatever you wore today and yesterday are the main things you need to be putting in the laundry. Stuff that's been in the dresser, things you've already cleaned, your closet. You don't need to go through and clean everything, just the things that you've touched in the last 48 hours. All of your hair stuff, hair ties, brushes, all of that can go in the freezer for 8 hours. That will kill anything on them. So you don't need to replace all of your expensive hair tools. You just need to stick them in the freezer. While you can boil them, we don't really recommend that, mostly because plastic can warp in boiling water. The freezer is going to leave them just as good as they were when they went in. We recommend vacuuming the floor. If you have hardwood, tile, laminate, something like that, you can use a mop or a Swiffer. Sweeping, unfortunately, can kick lice up into the air because they're so light, so we don't really recommend sweeping. We say use a vacuum or a mop. One of the things people don't think about is lint rollers. We have these nice lint rollers that we also sell on our website and our online store. Lint rollers will pick up head lice because they don't burrow. They're going to lay on the top of any surface. They're not going to be in the cracks of your couch, just on the actual fabric itself. So you can take that lint roller and just lint roll your car, your chairs, recliners, couches, things like that. If you have leather furniture, you can just take a wipe and just wipe it down. Any kind of wipe will work, a Clorox wipe, baby wipe, wet paper towel. It's really the act of wiping that's removing the lice, not any cleaning product. Cleaning products don't kill them. If you have anything that you truly just don't want to deal with right now, you can either put it in a plastic bag for 48 hours, pile it up in the spare room, the garage, trunk of your car, whatever works for you. That way you just don't have to deal with quite as much. The dryer for 45 minutes is what really kills things on fabric. So if you have stuffed animals, something that your child needs to have to go to bed tonight, instead of putting it in a bag for 2 days, just throw it in the dryer for 45 minutes. That will kill all of the lice on it, and you can let your child go to bed with their stuffed animals knowing that they're safe. Overall, this is more like spring cleaning than it is like bed bugs where you want to burn your house down. All you really need to do is some laundry, vacuuming, and you'll be good to go. Thank you.